Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder how to pay at a store using PayPal? It's super easy. Let me show you how it's done. First, open PayPal app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in and your preferred payment method like a linked bank account or card is already set up. Now tap on Scan or Pay or look for a QR code scanner in the app. Most stores that accept PayPal will have a QR code at the register or on a sign near checkout. Point your camera at the store's PayPal QR code. Once it's scanned, enter the amount you are paying. If it doesn't, autofill. Tap Send or Pay to confirm. You will get a confirmation right away. And so will the store. And just like that, you are done. No cards, no cash, just your phone. Quick, easy and secure. So next time you see that PayPal sign at the counter, you can know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday tech tips.